saying to anybody that I'm one of the people working on the expansion project at AUC. It's really incredible.
It's a work-study program. It's mostly based on the new extension at the campus, 2026 campus. So it feels special. The fact that I'm applying what I learned in the AC into the AC itself is somewhat unique.
I got to know real dynamics and how every project and every task, every structure all sync and come together in order to bring the vision to life. And I explored new things, new machines, and how people actually work.
I'm currently working on office work, reviewing reports, construction drawings, reviewing librettos as a concept and schematics. When I went to the site, I was actually able to visualize what I saw in the drawings and reports. The construction phase would then shift into the architecture phase and implement what I saw on the papers into real life.
It was a merge of construction perspective as well as architecture one, and it made me like a well-rounded construction engineer.
I feel that I'm part of something bigger. The fact that the university has more to offer to the students is special.
I feel so unique, and I feel that I'm doing something in my major, and it's my place, it's my major. It actually gave me strength and confidence in the path I'm in.